Today, we all have to manage more meeting rooms. Large meeting rooms with video conferencing facilities and also smaller rooms. I'm today presenting Reserva Edge, a new solution by ONELAN Reserva for room signage. This will allow you to book the rooms, also to show the plan for the booking of each of a room on a small screen by the side of each meeting room near the door. You will have the option to check from any single screen the availability of other rooms in your pool for now or for later. And this will allow you globally to optimize the usage of your room, typically to allow people to find room more easily and not complain that there are not enough room for usage. The solution also includes reporting for failure of IT appliances, typically to avoid you get into a room that you have booked intending to use video conferencing system, and when you arrive in the room you realize it's not working today. Let's go into some details. The first thing to understand is that Reserva is working by linking the solution to your existing current platform where you manage your meeting room. It can be Office 365, Microsoft Exchange, or Google. This means that we are not creating our own proprietary calendar. You will use your existing platform. This means it's very easy and very quick to install. You just use what you have already. This means also that for your team, it's very easy to get used to Reserva because they will keep using the solution as they used to so far. No big change. Now, in terms of connectivity, we have three options to make it more flexible. To connect your Reserva Edge unit, very simple. Three choices. One, you use your power supply unit for the power, and you use Wi-Fi. You are already done. Second solution, power supply unit for the power, and you use the Ethernet cable to be on your LAN. You are connected. Third solution, in case your network is a PoE plus network, you will get the power through the network PoE. Then you just need one cable and it's done. Installing your Reserva Edge by the side of your door is something very easy. Everything comes in the box. You have a metal plate that will fit the casing of your device itself. The cabling will be made very easy thanks to the design of this casing, allowing the cable to go down, to go up, to go right, to go left, matching any kind of installation pattern you may want. Installation of your Reserva Edge will be very simple. It comes with a metal plate in which your device will fit, and you have screws to secure the device. You have also the possibility to use that same metal plate to install on a glass wall, just by using double-sided tape that we can supply. Now we are set up. Let's start using it. This is very intuitive. When the sign is green, the room is free. The sign is red, the room is occupied. The meeting is going on. This is interactive screen, so I can use the touch screen to make a booking in this room. I just select the duration I need. I can also access a calendar view, so I can make a booking in this room for later today or for another day. I can also extend or shorten the meeting or end the meeting that is going on now. By doing so, I will release this meeting room and it will be made available for other people in the organization if they look for a meeting room now. In the same way, the system can require that any meeting need to be confirmed. This means that when I make a booking for now, for this meeting room, I need to go to the touchscreen and press the button confirm. This will validate that I'm using this room. If I fail to confirm, the system will automatically release this meeting room and it will become available in the platform. Someone else looking for a meeting room might have a chance to use it. This is an important feature because from the statistics, every organization is experiencing a very high level of no-show. People just book meeting rooms just in case because they believe they will need it. And sometimes they don't use it. But the system will believe the room is still occupied for that meeting, which doesn't happen. By releasing the room which are not actually used, you optimize very much your occupancy. On the Reserva sign, I can see the current status of my room. Here it shows this is busy, with a meeting going all the way to 12. If I want to use this room, I can ask to get a booking. Obviously it tells me that it's not available right now, but I can make a booking for later. Then it gives me a calendar where I can see the time slots that are available in this room. I can pick what I need and I book. If I want to use a room now, this one not being available, I can still use the device to search for other rooms in my pool of meeting rooms. And it gives me the list of rooms which are available, and I just pick the room, set the time I want to use it, and I book the other room. Reserva will help you to manage your resources in the meeting rooms. When you are using this meeting room, you don't want to have a bad surprise that the video conferencing or the phone are not working, or maybe the light or the air conditioning. And especially if someone in the morning already noticed that failure. So Reserva will allow you, just by using the touchscreen, to report failure on the IT equipments. By doing so, the IT department support desk will receive a notification so they can come and fix it. But the system will also inform the host of the meetings which are planned in that same meeting room. I am using this room and I notice the phone is not working. I can report the failure. I go to these icons, I select phone, I explain what is the issue I notice. There is no dial tone. I can even add more comments and I report. By doing so, I have sent a message to the IT department and it will show this icon, meaning that there is a reporting on the phone failure. At the same time, the solution will also inform anyone who has made a booking for that same room in the afternoon that the phone has been reported as faulty. So I can get prepared and maybe change for another room. Reserva Edge has a very unique feature of being also a digital signage display. It runs on Linux platform. It can connect to the ONELAN CMS to collect more content beside the room booking page. So it can also be used for general purpose communication. We see our users having great ideas on what to show on the screens. Company information for the team, for visitors, corporate and branding messages, and also practical things such as informing that new equipment have been installed in the meeting room and giving a link to access a guide on how to use them. This makes Reserva Edge a truly multi-purpose solution, and therefore with a higher ratio of return on investment. When you have several rooms, maybe spread apart, it is useful to have as well a summary of your current and upcoming meetings. Again, this is a unique feature of Reserva, thanks to the fact that we have a whole solution for digital signage under the ONELAN brand name. Such display, typically installed at the reception, at the lift lobby, will give the list of meeting, the meeting name, the time, the name of a room, the name of the organizer. Another level in the management of meeting rooms is to get statistics. So you can analyze how you perform, what needs to be improved, and over time, how you reach a better utilization of your pool of meeting rooms. Reserva Analytics is the solution that you will use in that purpose.